Hi guys, welcome back to Real Talk with Afia. Today we have Abhay with us. Hi Abhay.
Hello, nice to be a guest here.
Thank you for coming in. So Abhay has just launched his brand. Not just it's been 6 months, and it's from the name Where Woods. And we are going to ask him certain entrepreneurial questions as a youth. A lot of teens and small business owners and entrepreneurs are coming into Mysore,
Yeah,
and you guys need to know who are those people, what are they doing, what it's like, and you will find it only at Afia Alavi. So let's get into it. So tell me about your business journey. How did you get started?
yeah. So I have a fragrance brand called Werewoods.
Mm-hmm.
So I had a keen interest on how fragrances work, and I love to experiment on new things. So that is when I thought I can turn this into a business. So I had been to Gujarat to explore the fragrance market because it is a very good government initiative that they are letting new startups opportunities growing there. So a lot of fragrance brands are getting built there. So I went to have a better idea of how fragrance market runs, what and all is the price point where people are budging around. So I had been in Gujarat. I had been there for a month or two. Yeah, 2 months I had been there. I explored the markets, got to know people, got to know how things work. Once I got everything sorted, I came back to Mysore. I registered a brand, and the storyline behind Where Woods is like there are two meanings.
Okay, so you
So
have a meaningful name.
yeah,
Great.
so WER were in Old English means man. So
Okay.
man from the woods is one way
Oh,
to look at it, and the pronunciation is werewood. So you can wear the fragrance from the woods.
oh, that's so
Okay,
cool.
so that's the ideology I had before setting up this brand. I got the trademark license registered, got the brand set up, and now I'm sitting here with you.
Nice. Thank you so much for coming in.
Got some samples for her to try. So let us see what feedback as a consumer she has
Okay.
about the fragrances and about the brand from what I have told. So I
Yeah,
have
I
a couple of
like
friends.
reviewing products and kind of interested in it. Firstly, these look so cute. So this is called as Rose Valor, and it smells pretty much like rose, and it's
And
nice. I do not have much idea about fragrances, but this
and
is
the
good.
USP of my fragrances, it lasts around 6 to 8 hours.
Oh,
So in the starting point, some of my friends got a bottle from me. Then they called me back and like, now I need four. Some of my friends, family are liking it. So that is how initially I. The best part of my business is I haven't gone into loss. I'm not burning a single rupee. So thanks to friends, family, and people around who supported me.
smart move.
Once the product is strong enough, people got back to me
Yeah.
that it's great.
I
And
think initially the first people who support you in your business has to be your friends, close family,
yeah,
and that's where you gain the confidence. Once that confidence is built, you sell anything, but this is so unique. It's really very nice. The packaging looks super cute. The names are nice. Okay, so can you guess which one is this? Like, I'm not
that
going.
that is it has a pinkish tint, so I think it's amber drift.
Oh, yeah, it is. So it has a pinkish tint.
Yeah,
Okay. Yes. Now that I'm seeing in the ring light, it is pinkish.
and
Wow.
all my
So
fragrances are unisex, so I have not categorized or
differentiated.
anything. Some people might like floral fragrance and
Yeah.
might be
Yeah. A lot of
they
girls
can't buy
like different
a female
things.
fragrance because the brand market it's as a floral female fragrance. So
Right. So you
I
have
have
done
kept
unisex
yeah, I
marketing.
have kept the
That's
fragrance neutral.
nice.
So everyone, fragrance is like food. Everyone has their own palate. Everyone likes
Yeah.
something else. Yeah,
So I think the key notes of his business journey, which we can take as a business owner or consumer, or the marketing ideas which I liked, I will point it out. Firstly, he has done very good branding. So he's talking about where woods, where does he come from, and he's like trying to connect with normal people and where woods. So that's one good thing. Secondly, what he has done is when you look at all these samples, They do not differentiate among themselves. It's not like, okay, this one's for her, this is for him. It's not like him and her. It is not giving blue and pink vibes, which is blue for men, pink for girls. So it is in a way which he is attracting maximum of audience, like kids, old people, youth, teenagers. Everybody is inclined towards it because it does not have a specific target. I like that. Third is, he's talking about his USP. He's telling you why his product is better, even though it's a new one. He's like, okay, my fragrance lasts 7 to 8 hours, which is normal people ke liye. 9 to 5, if you're in a job or workspace, it's like good amount of time. So even though he has just started 6 months ago, he has done his homework and he knows what he can do, how he can market his product. And we have seized this opportunity with Abhay. It was nice to know you and the journey of your business. We are looking forward for more such people who would like to share their journey on Real Talk with Afia. You can always follow me on Afia Alavi, and you can go to my YouTube and like, share, and subscribe to Afia Alavi.